Good morning, children. From today onwards, we are going to do the revision, children. Okay. As a part of revision, here first we will see that what are the chapters that are completed, children. The chapters that are completed in this class is motion, that is second chapter, laws of motion completed, children. And here in the same way, reflection of light, refraction of light at plane surfaces, children. Refraction of light at plane surface is also completed. Okay, children. Therefore, here three chapters completed, children. That is motion, laws of motion, and refraction of light at plane surfaces, children. Okay, these are the three chapters that we completed. Okay, right. You should make a note of all this, the syllabus, children. You should make a note of the syllabus. That is three chapters: motion, laws of motion, and refraction of light at plane surfaces. And here for the examination, as we are having the examination in the first week of the October, that is FA1, therefore we have three chapters, children. Of all these three chapters, we are having for the examination, that is motion, laws of motion, and what? Refraction of light at plane surfaces. Okay, children. Therefore, you should make a note of the syllabus, children. Syllabus, motion. First one is motion, laws of motion, and the next one is refraction of light. Refraction of light at plane surface. Okay, children. And here in this refraction of light at plane surfaces, till where we completed? We completed up to the activity, children. Activity. Okay. That is laws of refraction, all that one. Whatever that we have completed, that we will be having for the examination, children. And totally the examination will be in the pattern of MCQs. That is multiple choice questions, children. MCQs. The total examination will be of MCQs. And here you will be getting 20 questions from the physics, children. 20 questions are from physics and 20 are from biology, children. Okay, out of these 20 questions are from physics, children. Okay, you should make a note of this one. Here 20 questions will be from physics and 20 will be from the biology, children. Okay, of these 20 questions, here you will be getting these 20 questions from these three chapters, children. That is motion, laws of motion, and refraction of light at plane surfaces, children. Okay, right. And here you should go through the each and every chapter, children. It's better to read the chapter. What my suggestion is that first you read the chapter, children. You read the chapter. Okay, whatever the chapter that is there, okay, you read that chapter. That means here read the textbook, children. Read the textbook and make the points. Okay, you should make the points. You should make the points by reading the textbook, children. Okay, you should make the points by reading the textbook. Okay, children. Okay, that means when you go through the textbook completely, if you are having any doubts, you should comment me. You should ask me the doubts in the comment section, that is in the WhatsApp group, children. In the WhatsApp group, okay. Whenever when you are submitting the homework, okay, at that time, you can comment me, children. You can ask me, sir, excuse me, I want to, sir, please explain this one, that one. Okay, whatever the doubts that you are having, that you should ask me to explain, children. Okay, should make a note of this. These are the three chapters in your class: motion, laws of motion, refraction of light at plane surfaces. Till where we completed, not completely. Okay, till where we completed, till there you will be having for the examination, children. Okay, right. Excuse me. Okay, children. Right. Okay, children. Coming to the first, I will start the chapter refraction of light at plane surfaces, children. First, I will start the revision of refraction of light at plane surfaces. First, refraction of light at plane surfaces, children. Okay, when we are going with the revision, children, And here, as we are doing the revision of a particular chapter, first you should read the textbook, and in the same way you should make by reading the, after reading the textbook, you should make some points, children. You should categorize them into the points, children. You should make the points. Okay, after making the points, such that it will be easy for you to write, children. And here in this exam of this FA1, you are having negative marking. Negative marking means out of the 10 questions, okay, you have attempted 5 questions. 5 questions are perfectly correct. Okay, children. And here remaining out of the 5 questions, remaining total 10 questions, no? 5 questions perfectly correct. But remaining questions you are not familiar with the answers. Okay, you don't know the answer. But you kept something. You kept some options. But all those options are wrong. Therefore, if 4 options are wrong, 4 options out of the 5, if 4 options are wrong, then what we do is, one of the correct answer will be cut off. That we call it as 0.25% of negative marking. That is the negative marking. In the negative marking, not only the wrong answer will be cut off. Okay, not only the marks in the the wrong questions, children, the marks will be deducted from the wrong questions, but the corrected answer will be cut off, children. Okay, coming to the chapter. First, refraction of light at plane surfaces. Okay, in this chapter, children, the questions will be asked from whatever that I said, children. That means here I revised. Okay, I revised the reflection chapter that we have learned in the 8th class. Okay, therefore you will be getting the questions from the reflection chapter that you have learned, which is a link of this class, children. Okay, whatever that we have learned in the previous class, whatever that I taught you, from that also you will be getting the question answers. That is what is reflection of light. The bouncing back of light is called as the reflection. And see here, children, if anyone have missed the videos, you can see the previous videos in the YouTube, children, by pressing the link. Okay, right. Okay, children, what is reflection? The bouncing back of light is called as a reflection. Okay, and here we are having the laws of reflection. Okay, the laws of reflection, that is the incident ray, normal, reflected ray lie in the same plane. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, in the laws of reflection, okay, we are having 2 laws of reflection. That is the incident ray, normal, reflected ray lie in the same plane, and the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of the reflection, children. Okay, and here in this chapter, that is in the reflection of light, when we are learning about the reflection of light, I explained what is light. Okay, light is a form of energy. It is a source of energy which gives which makes us to see the beautiful world around us, which makes us to see the wonderful world around us. That is called as the light, children. And here we are having of what is medium. Medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. We are having different types of medium: transparent medium, translucent medium, opaque medium. All these are the different types of the medium, children. Okay, right. Transparent, translucent and opaque medium. Next we are having, we learned that what is transparent medium, what is translucent medium, what is opaque medium. We have seen the examples of the transparent, translucent and opaque medium. Okay, children. And when we are learning about the laws of reflection, we learned what is an incident ray, what is a reflected ray, Okay, what is an incident ray? What is a reflected ray? What is the angle of incidence? What is the angle of refraction? All that we have learned, children. Therefore, tomorrow we'll go with each and every point, children. Okay, today I have given the gist of the points. Okay, a gist of the questions, children. Okay, remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.